exactly capital structure is formulated. Okay. So, firstly, the meaning of capital structure. What do you understand by capital structure? Capital structure. What do you understand by structure? What is the meaning of structure? What do you understand the meaning of structure? Yes, anyone? Layout. Okay. So structure is a layout. Great. And capital. Capital is, what is capital? What is capital? Funds, money. Okay. So what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to make a layout. Okay. We're supposed to make a layout in capital structure. Okay. So let's make a layout. So my layout looks like particulars. Okay. Amount, equity capital, 10 lakhs. Preference capital, 5 lakhs. Debentures, 5 lakhs. Is that clear? Now, this is my 20 lakhs. What is this? This is my capital structure. So you understand what is the capital structure? Do you understand what is the capital structure? Capital structure is basically arranging the funds or the arrangement of funds. Okay. Now, is it only just the arrangement of funds? Is it only just the arrangement of funds? Please, I would request some people to stay unmute. Okay. Some people, please stay on unmute. Yes or no? Is somebody going to stay on unmute? Riksha? Aditya? Aditya? Are you there? Okay, fine, Riksha. What about the rest? सबके घर पे तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा ना कोई तो अनम्यूट रह सकता है. ठीक है. Okay, so you have understood what is capital structure. Okay, but by just making this, are we proving something? कि हमने सब सही कर लिया है? Are we doing everything right? Have we done everything right by just making this capital structure? Have we done everything right? Now, why we are choosing this structure? I mean, I am raising 10 lakh by equity capital. I'm raising 5 lakh by preference capital. I'm raising 5 lakh with the help of debentures. Yeah, Roshal, you can unmute yourself. Okay, so I want to raise 20 lakhs with the help of equity, preference, and debentures. So this is my capital structure. Okay, this is A plan. So in the plan B, what I can do is I can make equity as 5 lakhs, preference as 5 lakhs, and debentures as 5 lakhs. Okay. Any which ways I'm raising 20 lakhs. But what is the difference in A and B? Yes. What is the difference in A and B? Yes. What will be the difference in A and B? In plan B, I'll have to pay more debt or more interest. Plan A, comparatively, interest will be less. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Right? So, capital structure is raising of capital from different sources and their use in the different assets of the company. Okay, which is made on the basis of certain principles that provide system of capital so that maximum rate of return can be earned at minimum cost. Okay, so this is what you have learned in cost of capital. Yes or no? To provide with the minimum cost. It also refers to using combination or mix of debt and equity. Correct or not? Okay, fine. So total capital, you can get it from these three sources. These are sources of fund. You understand this? Sources of fund by equity, preference, debentures. Now, features of debentures. Tell me quick. Features of debentures क्या होते हैं? Interest कैसा होता है? How is the interest? Interest fixed or fluctuating? Fixed. Okay. What about preference share? Even that is fixed. What about equity? Fluctuating. Correct. Right. So we ideally, okay, we are supposed to calculate the earnings per share. When we select a capital structure, we'll have to find out what our shareholder is getting. Okay, because this is going to get paid. This is going to get paid. But this equity share capital, this is going to be received. Okay, the shareholders are going to receive the dividends. Okay, whereas we are going to pay the preference shareholders, we're going to pay the debenture holders. We means the company. Okay, and why I'm saying company and investors are together, because these are the share capital holders. Are you understanding this? Are you understanding this? Yes. Yes, people. Understood? Rochelle, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there are certain factors influencing capital structure that we'll see later on. What are those factors? Okay. But have you understood what is the meaning of capital structure? It's specifically arranging your funds so that it gives you a maximum output. So we'll study that output now. Okay. Can you see my screen? Karthik, you can unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I've made this sheet on the left hand side now. I'm making this. Is this visible to you all?
Yes.
Okay. The thing in yellow. Now this is a capital structure. This is actually a capital structure. Okay. There are how many plans you can see? Just ignore this part. Okay. No, only thing in yellow. Please ignore the other part. There are how many plans? 3 plans. So a company has 3 plans. ऐसे जरूरी नहीं 3 ही plan होगा. Company उससे ज़्यादा plan भी कर सकता है. Okay. So the plan is, if we are going by A, the equity capital will be how much? 10 lakhs. Is that clear? Debt will be issued at 5 lakhs. Okay, preference shares will be 5 lakhs. Is that clear? Is that clear to all?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Plan B बोलता है कि this will be 7 lakhs. ठीक है. This will be 4 lakhs. Okay, this will be 9 lakhs. Clear? Plan C says that this will be 15 lakhs. This will be 2 lakh 50,000. This will be 2 lakh 50,000. How much amount does the company want to raise? How much amount does the company wants to raise? Company wants to raise how much? 20 lakhs. Okay, they have how many plans? They have 3 plans. Okay, plan number 1 says so and so 10 lakh equity, 7 lakh, 5 lakh debt, 5 lakh preference shares. Plan B 7 lakh equity, debt is 4 lakh, preference share is 9 lakh. Okay, plan A is equity 15 lakhs, debt is 2 lakh 50,000, preference share is 2 lakh 50,000. Okay, cost of debentures is cost of debentures is 9%, and the cost of preference shares issuing them is 10%. Okay, as who I want to know who is paid first, whose liability is paid first. Is it debenture
Preference.
preference shareholders की equity holders? सबसे पहले डिबेंचर होल्डर्स को पे करेंगे, ठीक है, because debenture capital is a loan capital. If you can see this format, okay, this is interest to debenture holders. Is that clear? Is that clear to all? सबसे पहले डिबेंचर होल्डर्स को पे होगा बिकॉज दैट इज अ डेट कैपिटल. उसके बाद प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर को पे होगा बिकॉज वो क्या होते हैं, दे आर अ हाइब्रिड, they are also debt they are also debt owners there as well as the equity owners as well. That's why they are called as preference, but they are going to get preferential treatment over the equity holders. मतलब प्रेफरेंस के पहले प्रेफरेंस होल्डर्स को इक्विटी के पहले प्रेफरेंस होल्डर्स को डिविडेंड मिलेगा. क्लियर विद दैट? क्लियर विद दैट?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. बेस्ड ऑन दिस, बेस्ड ऑन कंपनी is earning 20% on capital employed. Okay, so how much capital is employed? How much capital is employed? 20% on capital employed. Capital employed कितना है? 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs से 20% कितना आएगा? 4 lakhs. तो EBIT कंपनी का कितना है? EBIT कंपनी का कितना है? 4 lakhs. Got it? 20 lakhs का 20%. Have you understood? Have you understood? 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs is earning before interest and taxes. What do you mean by earning before interest and taxes? Rochelle, Karthik, any one of you? EBIT. What is EBIT? Just tell me. How do you get EBIT? Leverage में किया था ना हम लोगों ने. I'm not asking the full form Neha. That I have already told. EBIT का मतलब earnings before interest and taxes. I'm asking how do we derive it? What does EBIT mean theoretically? Karthik, Rochelle, Yogita, EBIT क्या होता है? Noshin. Noshin is saying sales less cost. Okay. So that means routine business करने के वक्त जब भी हम लोग कुछ चीज़ बेचते हैं और कोई चीज़ खरीदा हुआ रहता है उसके बीच का जो प्रॉफिट होता है, that is my EBIT. Agreed? So EBIT is nothing but it's our profit which we are earning by selling the goods and by purchasing materials. Yes or no? So have you understood this part? Have you understood this part which I have highlighted? Have you understood this? यस, रेवेन्यू माइनस, तो हम लोग को ये करके ही दिया हुआ है, मतलब हम लोग ने, नाउ इज इट ओके, नाउ इज इट ओके,
Yes, sir.
ओके। सो ये 4 लाख क्लियर है सबको? ईबीआईटी कैसे आया 4 लाख? 20 lakhs into 20%, ठीक है। नाउ फर्स्ट थिंग इज वी आर गोइंग टू पे द डिबेंचर होल्डर्स, so just check out the debenture holders under plan A, B and C. How much are they? Plan A, B, C में कितने? Plan A में कितने हैं debt? Still voice is tracking?
Yes, sir.
नेटवर्क तो फुल है यार यहाँ पे। Let me check. Am I audible now clearly?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है। Yes. So where was I? हाँ, debt का पूछ रहा था मैं। For first plan, how much will be the interest amount? See, debt amount is 5 lakh, interest amount is 9%. तो interest on plan A कितना रहेगा? I'm doing the interest calculation now. Plan A interest, ठीक है, और interest over your plan A. Take this as plan B. Take this as plan C. So plan A will be how much? Low. Plan A will be how much? Debenture is how much? 5 lakh into how much percent? 9%.
45,000.
45,000.
ठीक है, 45,000 देर, यहाँ पे है प्लान बी 4 लाख इंटू 9%,
36,000.
ठीक है। देर प्लान सी 2,50,000 इंटू
Hello, hello.
22,500, ठीक है।
22.
क्लियर विद दैट? प्लान सी तीनों इंटरेस्ट क्लियर है सबको, राइट? नाउ हाउ डू यू गेट ईबीटी? EBIT minus interest is EBT. Can you see this over here? This is less, okay, so this is the amount you get, understood? फिर टैक्स, तो टैक्स परसेंटेज इज गिवन टू बी, बहुत ज़्यादा है टैक्स, हमको उतना नहीं लगाना है, ईबीआईटी इफेक्ट करेगा 30%। द टैक्स इज हाउ मच? टेक इट एज 30%, so 30% of this amount you get, okay, so this will be taxed and rest will be reduced। EBIT से टैक्स रिड्यूस करेंगे तो EAT मिलेगा। EAT stands for earnings after tax। तो सबसे पहले पेमेंट किसको होगा? who will be paid first? who will be paid first? सबसे पहले EAT,
Tax.
आफ्टर टैक्स तो समझ गया ना सबको? आफ्टर टैक्स समझे हो ना? yes people, आफ्टर टैक्स, yes,
Yes,
हेलो,
sir.
हाँ, ठीक है, बोलते रहो, मेरे को पता नहीं चलेगा अगर कहीं पे कुछ लैग आ रहा है फिर तो। ओके, सो प्रेफरेंस डिविडेंड इज हाउ मच? 10%, सो 5 लाख का 10%, ठीक है। कैलकुलेशन ऑफ प्रेफरेंस डिविडेंड 5 लाख इंटू 10%,
50,000.
50,000, get it? Then for plan B it's going to be 9 lakh into 10%. For plan C it's going to be, sorry, it's, this is plan C, plan B is going to be 4 lakh at 10%, got it? Got it? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is plan B. Plan B is 99 lakh and this is plan C. Plan C के लिए प्रेफरेंस है 2,50,000, ठीक है। So this is 2,50,000. I believe this is clear to all. So finally, what are you getting? Amount available to equity holders. Is that clear? Now, did I give you any number of shares? Did I give you any number of shares?
No.
No.
नहीं दिया था मैंने, नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स नहीं दिया था मैंने. क्या खाली दिया था मैंने? सिर्फ कैपिटल दिया इक्विटी का. आई एम गिविंग यू इशू प्राइस नाउ. इशू प्राइस, व्हाट इज इशू प्राइस? व्हाट इज इशू प्राइस? व्हाट इज इशू प्राइस? इशू प्राइस क्या होता है? Cost price. So price of the share. Okay, so as per the plan A, equity capital of plan A, okay, issue price is 10 rupees. So capital is 10 lakhs. So number of shares will be issued how much? Number of shares of A will be how much? 1 lakh. कैसे किया? कैसे किया? कैपिटल डिवाइडेड बाय इशू प्राइस, फॉर्मूला बना के किया. तो ए का कितना आएगा? ए का कितना आएगा? 1 लाख आएगा. सो सिंपल इज इक्वल टू इक्विटी कैपिटल डिवाइडेड बाय इशू प्राइस. समझ में आया? सेम वे सेकेंड प्लान के लिए इक्विटी है 7 लाख डिवाइडेड बाय 10, 70,000. ठीक है. थर्ड प्लान के लिए इक्विटी है 15 lakhs divided by issue price 10. Okay. So formula for EPS is this is equal to A divided by N. A मतलब amount available divided by N means number of shares. Is that understood? Is that understood to all? Is that understood to all?
Yes, sir.
So which is the
Yes,
better
sir.
one? कौन सा है इसमें? Which is the better one for an investor? Shareholder के लिए better कौन सा? Yes. बोलो, एक इन्वेस्टर के लिए कौन सा बेटर है? बी, प्लान बी बेटर है. वाई? वाई
And B.
प्लान बी क्यों बेटर है? बिकॉज वहां पे क्या हो रहा है? वहां पे क्या हो रहा है? ईपीएस इज हायर. ओके, ईपीएस इज मोर. ईपीएस स्टैंड फॉर अर्निंग्स पर शेयर. ओके, सो इन कैपिटल स्ट्रक्चर वी शुड बी कंसर्न्ड फॉर इंक्रीजिंग द EPS. ओके, एंड दैट वी कैन डू विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस स्ट्रक्चर. ये स्ट्रक्चर अगर मैं चेंज करूंगा ना, ठीक है, अब ये स्ट्रक्चर को देखो, अगर ये कैपिटल स्ट्रक्चर में कुछ भी चेंजेस करता हूँ ना मैं.
Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to comment in the chat box. Thank you.